Hello, welcome everyone. As usual, today I'm going to building in process as my task 3 in my laboratory project. So this is how my sign-in form looks, and this is the code we made in previous chapter. Then here I have my auto.js, and I have made the function sign-in. Then grab the values from email input and password input. Then also sign in remember me option. Then I have cleared the errors first as previous with using this data function. Then I have validated if, if the email or password is empty, it shows up error. Then after that I have validated email. Then if it's incorrect in format, it will show up. And then if everything is good, then error messages will be hidden and we will send it to login process as a form. First I have appended the email as email and password as password, and remember me checked. If remember me is checked, then it's true. If it's not, it's false. Then I have made a new XML HTTP request and assigned it to variable ahead. Then I have made regex. First, if the response text is success, then it will remove the red color from the error message and make it green and show login successful redirecting. Then after 2 seconds, we will be redirected to home.php. Else it will show the error. Or else, if the request has something went wrong with the request, then it will show the request file and error message. So I have also made that validate email helper function, which is regular expressions and test the email as with the parameter. That's what we have used here. Validate email. If it's not valid email, then it will show error. That's it. Then we will go to the login process to PHP. Inside that, I have started the session and I have added my included my connection to PHP. Then I have assigned the post email as email variable and password as password variable, and remember me using ESET. If remember me is set, then it will give the remember me value that coming from post method from the JavaScript, or if it's not coming, then it will show the false. So I first check if the email is empty or not. If it's empty, then it will echo the please enter your email address. Then next I have checked my email that's coming from JavaScript and checked it's a valid email or not. If it's not valid, then it will show invalid email address. Next I have checked the password is empty or not. If it's empty, then it's a please enter your password. If everything is good, then we go to search again. Looks for user with that email coming from JavaScript side. Then if there's a user with that email, then we will go to this part, or else it will say invalid user credentials. Then inside that we will first take user's result, user features and assign it to the user variable. So user ID is held in that user variable. If next we have checked password with the database password. So we have used password verify function, which is used to verify passwords in hash. So first we have inserted our password variable inside the parameter. Then our password hash coming from the database of the user as stored. Then we will check if the password is matches the user's password, then it will go to this part, or else it will say invalid user credentials as before. Then we are storing the user's data inside sessions. So first I have stored user ID as user underscore ID and the user's first name and space and last name. So it's stored as user underscore name inside the session. Then user underscore email. Then user's account type, whether it's a bio or seller. Then we have made the user logged in true. So it means the user is currently logged into that account. Then we have checked. Then everything is good. Then it will show success message, which goes to the JavaScript side. Then after its success, it will say login successful redirecting, and it will redirect the user to home.php. Let me show you. So this is an invalid email. It's not inside the database. No, it says invalid user credentials. Then I will put the real email. I will insert a fake password. This. It still says invalid user credentials. Then I will yes. Now login successfully. The login process is done.